conceptualizing teacher education programs. It means while preparing, while developing the teacher training program, that is associate degree in education, that is the B.Ed. These are called teacher training programs or the teacher education programs. When we develop, when we prepare these programs, what kind of the considerations or aspects should be kept into mind accordingly? Means this one should be there, and this aspect should be first, and this aspect should be included, and this aspect should not be included. So this is conceptualizing of teacher education programs. And we know in Pakistan now the teacher education programs is based on the 4-year degree programs, but there are different models. For example, B.Ed 1.5, B.Ed 2.5 years, B.Ed 4 years, and also we have ADE, Associate Degree in Education. So we have to see, we have to consider that what kind of the programs this is, because we have to see this is basic programs or the traditional programs, or this is an alternative programs. So what kind of the content and courses and what kind of the approaches should we include in that one? And inside of the courses, what kind of the experiences and the contents and the skills and the dispositions should be developed, should be kept into mind, and what are the expectations of the students of that programs, and what is the need of the societies, and what are the needs of that subsequent level of the schools where they are supposed to teach. Number one is knowledge for teaching. That is the what of teacher education. What should be included in teacher education programs? What should be? Knowledge of the teachers, content of the teachers, methods of the teachers, assessment of the teachers, language of the teachers, what should be the goals of the programs, what are the needs of the students, what are the social purposes of the educations, skills and dispositions. That is what should be. Means what should be the content of the programs, what should be the methods of the programs, what should be the assessment patterns of the programs. That is the holistic way of designing or the preparing of the teacher education program. And skills that include content and pedagogical skills, and the expertness of the teachers to the diverse students. That is most important aspect. Students are diverse in terms of the culture, in terms of their abilities, in terms of their psychological needs, individual differences. That aspect need to be focused more in the teacher training programs and assessment as well. And that the expectations of the teacher knowledge need not only provide teacher access to more knowledge, considered to be more deeply, but also to help teachers learn how to continually access knowledge and inquire into their work. The teacher should be acquiring, should be inculcated to the students by the teacher educators that how to explore further knowledge. Knowledge and skills and the competencies of the teachers or the future teachers or the trainees in that program should possess further skills of the research. And the program's designs and the pedagogies, how of the teacher education programs. We discuss what of the teacher education programs and how of the teacher education programs. How that this aspect, these aspects that are in the what should be, or in what way they will be, or the how they will be transferred from the teacher educators or the senior teachers or the pedagogues to the future teachers of that programs, and their experiences, and how to organize prospective teachers experiences, and in what way the knowledge and the skills and how the skillful way they will be transferred in the classroom experiences and the practices. and that is not an easy way, and that need to have a very serious consideration in the teacher education programs. And accomplishing this requires addressing some special challenges. That is, learning to teach requires that the new teachers come to understand teaching in the ways that quite different from their own experiences. For example, I possess my own experiences, but the way the teacher training institutions are teaching to me may not be compatible with my perspectives, with my perceptions, with my expectations. And the learning to teach also requires that the new teachers learn not only think like a teacher, but also act like a teacher. What is termed the problems of the enactment. How these things should be enacted, should be developed, should be inculcated. And the learning to teach is a very important aspect. The teacher educator should know learning to teach. What methods should I possess to teach? What level of the knowledge should I have? What skills, what competencies one should require to teach? In multi-dimensional way, social aspects and assessment aspect, etc. The features for successful teacher education programs: coherence and integrations. One subject should be coherent with the other subject. One semester should be coherent with this with the other semesters, subsequent semesters. The previous knowledge the students acquired, possessed in the previous degree should be commensurating with the subsequent level of the courses or the semesters and the later on stage of the degrees, etc. And linked with the theory and the practices. This is the dilemma, that we focus more on the, in teacher training programs, focus more on the theories and less on the practice. And it's not issue of the more or less, but it is level of the coherence, level of the linking theory and the practices. That is the issue that need to be focused more. And there should be the close analysis of the learning and the teaching in terms of the case methods and the performance assessment and the action research. The theory and the practices can be linked properly. The fundamental principle is the action research to be taught to the students of the teacher training programs, and so that the students, when they are appointed as the teachers after acquiring their 4-year degree programs or whatever degree programs they are going through, then they should practice the action research. And the new relationship with the schools, and the teacher should have possessed or acquired the skills during their teacher training programs when he or she goes to schools, how to link, how to have affiliations, how to play the efficient roles in their schools, and how to apply that knowledge that acquired during the teacher training programs in the relevant schools. And this must be connected. If it's not connected with the schools and the societies and the classroom field, then their training would be the defective, and there would be the no outcome of that practice. On the basis of this discussion, we can conclude that although the teacher education program is only one component of what is needed to enable high quality teaching, this is one aspect. It's essential to advance knowledge about teaching, to spread good practices, and to enhance the quality of the children. Though this aspect of the phenomenon is taken as a one, but it is based on the different components that have different and individual identity. Thus, it is essential to seek a strong preparation of teachers that is universally available, rather than a rare occurrence that is available only in to a lucky few. For example, if one is lucky that this aspect he is acquiring and is facilitated, but this must be provided all and sundry that is going through from person one to the person one to the last person in that class.